copy this. I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing program that you can sign up today without any approval. Then I'll show you how you can promote it with other people's content. Now, I'm making these how-to videos for your help only, so let me know in the comment section below what you're struggling with affiliate marketing, and I'll make some videos around those topics. Let's jump to the computer now though, let's not waste any more time, and let's get started. Now let me introduce you to the affiliate program that we're going to promote, and then I'll show you how you can legally use other people's content to drive sales and get reoccurring commission from this affiliate program here. So this right here is Tubebuddy, and what it does is it allows YouTubers to analyze their data better and make better videos and grow more on YouTube. So let's go ahead and look at some of the features. So you can see they've got different features here, and Tubebuddy is essentially a Chrome or Firefox add-on, and it allows you to bulk upload videos, do SEO, promotion, it allows you to better analyze your data, they have a mobile app, and so on. There's many features on Tubebuddy, which we're going to take a look at in a second when we go ahead and promote the product. But for now, you just want to know that Tubebuddy is a YouTube growth tool that many YouTubers are using to grow their channels. And the most important part about Tubebuddy and their affiliate program, they have a free trial, which you can install completely for free now. And this is perfect because selling this product as an affiliate has never been any easier, because all you need to do is get somebody to download a free trial. So we're going to go ahead and explore their pricing, and then we'll take a look at their affiliate program. So here is their pricing. Now you can see they've got 1 year or 1 month plans, and if obviously someone buys for the whole year, they're going to pay up front. You're going to earn a bigger commission, but they are going to pay less money. Whereas if someone paid for a monthly reoccurring subscription, you're going to earn less money per month, but over the year you're going to earn more money. So they've got a pro version at $3.50 a month, a star version at $11.50 a month, and a legend version at $26.50 per month. So with this open, we're just going to go ahead and go to their affiliate section. Now to get here, what you need to do is sign up for an actual Tubebuddy account first. So go ahead and go to their main page here, go to their home page, and then go ahead and sign in the top right hand corner. If you don't already have an account, you can create one here as well. So go ahead and sign in with Google. So I'm going to do that. So here we are inside of Tubebuddy. Now what we need to do is go ahead and go to their affiliate program, which is at the left here. And that will take us straight into the affiliate program where we can start promoting it right now. Now the first thing you need to do is enter in your affiliate code and your PayPal email here. And you can see all you need to do is tell people about Tubebuddy. Then when they buy the upgrades after the free trial, you're going to earn up to 30% recurring commission. But we'll get to that when we've gone ahead and signed up here. So enter in your affiliate code. This is going to be the code which is at the end of Tubebuddy. So you're going to have www.tubebuddy.com/, and then you would enter in your code. Then go ahead and enter in your PayPal email. Obviously make sure that that is 100% correct, because that is how you're going to get paid. Once you've entered both of them, go ahead and click submit, and you can then sign up. So there you go, we've now signed up for a fresh new account, and you can see we've got our link straight away to promote the product without having to be approved, without having to sign up with crazy forms or give crazy personal information away. Now I've got their affiliate handbook open here, which you can go ahead and download. If you go ahead and scroll down on their affiliate page, you can see the affiliate handbook. Now this is very useful, and you want to go ahead and skim through this, but the affiliate handbook also has the affiliate commissions and the different rewards that you can earn. So everyone's going to start as a standard affiliate. Now as a standard affiliate, you're going to earn 30% commission on every single product that someone buys. So whether that be the pro version, the starter version, or the upgraded one, you're going to earn 30% commission, which is reoccurring every single month. So if someone buys a plan and they stay for 2 years, you're going to earn commission from that person for 2 whole years. Now, once you reach 50 installs, and these are going to be 50 free installs, you're still going to have 30% commission, but you're now going to have 1 year free star license for your channel, and you're going to have no minimum payout. And then a super affiliate is not much change from the VIP affiliate, which is a bit weird, but that's, I guess, just how it is. So now going back to the affiliate page, we now want to go ahead and copy our affiliate link, and I'm going to show you now how you can use other people's content to drive traffic and sales to your affiliate link. So now I want to introduce you to a website called Sniply. So that their website URL is sniply.io. So go ahead and go to this website here. Now it's a 100% free website. You can upgrade to some paid plans, but for us, we're going to use the free version. So now go ahead and get started for free. And I've already got an account on Sniply, but what you would do is you would go ahead and sign up for the free version here, sign up. And it looks like it's logged me in already because I already have an account, but you would just sign up with your email and password. You don't need anything crazy to sign up for this. Anyone can sign up. And then once you're inside Sniply, you need to do the following. So on Sniply, you want to go to Call to Actions. So go ahead and click on that, and it will open up the Manage Call to Actions section, where you can create a new call to action. So go ahead and click on that, and it will then take us to the call to action window where we can create our own. So I'm choosing my profile here, Bradley Harrison. Then you want to go ahead and where it says select a Sniply type, you want to then choose button. And you can see we're going to customize the button, which is at the bottom here. So to do that, we're going to enter our message. Now, because Tubebuddy has a free trial, here's what we're going to do. We're going to first go to their main homepage, and you can see install for free now. So on our call to action, we're going to put install free now, or install Tubebuddy free now. Once we've done that, it's then going to update on our little Sniply thing down here. Then button text, install now. And then our button URL, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our Tubebuddy affiliate link. So copy this and then put this in our button URL and then continue. Now, if you do get some paid plans, you can obviously change and customize this, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish the CTA for the tutorial and for the video. Now you want to go ahead and create a link. So go ahead and create a link here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab somebody else's video and a review on Tubebuddy and essentially put their video on our kind of like landing page. So what I recommend you do is go straight to YouTube. And once you're on YouTube, go ahead and search something like Tubebuddy review. And a lot of different videos will come up, obviously reviewing Tubebuddy and showing you how you can get more views on your YouTube channel with Tubebuddy. So that you can choose whatever video you want. I've chosen this video here, how to use Tubebuddy to get more views on YouTube. Because Nick Niman is all over the Tubebuddy website as an affiliate, and he's a YouTube guru, so people might know his face and trust him already. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL. Then going back to link creator, we're going to paste in the URL, and then click snip, and it may or may not work. So it doesn't seem to have worked on the preview, but we'll just go ahead and open it and see. Yep, so there you go. You can see now you've got Nick Niman's video and you've got install Tubebuddy free now, and when someone clicks on this link, it's going to redirect them to Tubebuddy with our affiliate link. So you can see how powerful that is. And you've even got Nick Niman on the homepage as well, which is obviously adds an extra layer of trust, which is really powerful. So this is our landing page, and people can go ahead and click on the video and watch the video, watch the review, and once they've watched it, they can go ahead and install Tubebuddy through our affiliate link. And look how powerful and easy that was. And for beginners, this is a really powerful tool because this is 100% free, and you can put any video and any affiliate link using this tool. So you could promote anything. This doesn't have to be Tubebuddy, but we're using that as an example. Now we can go ahead and copy our link. So I'll just go back to the Sniply page. So here is our link. Now we can copy this link and get it in front of people who are YouTubers and want to grow their YouTube channel. So there are a couple of different ways that you can do that, and I'm going to show you some now. Now it doesn't have to be like you must do this method or you must do this method. You can choose whichever method that you like. You can do a combination of the two. But here's one of them, and then I'll show you the other one in a second, so make sure you stay tuned. So what you would do is you'll go to YouTube, and back on YouTube search for Tubebuddy review. And you're then going to choose a video here which is a Tubebuddy review, not a how-to video on how to use it, but just a simple review where people are talking about the features. So go ahead and choose Tubebuddy review, and then we can scroll down once it loads, and we can check out the comments of that video. So if we scroll down, we've got 51 comments. That's 51 YouTubers who are looking to grow their YouTube channel, who are interested in Tubebuddy. So go ahead and sort that by new. And here you've got different people who are obviously YouTubers and looking to buy Tubebuddy. So what you would do then is you would right click and open their account, and you'd probably do it on a more popular video because this one only has 8,000 views and it's somehow ranked on #1, but choose a more popular video. And then these people that you've opened who are YouTubers looking to grow their account, you then go to their About section and see if they have an email. So this person doesn't, but this person here, the second person that I tried, has an email. And what we can do is we can view that email address. I'm not going to show it on video because I don't want to dox him. But then you can start to email these people saying, hey, I seen you were interested in Tubebuddy. I seen you looked at a Tubebuddy review. I want to go ahead and direct your attention to a video which shows you practically how you can get views on YouTube using Tubebuddy. Because the thing is, right, what we've got here is we've got a tutorial video which shows people how to get views. The person that you're emailing has only watched the Tubebuddy review, and they haven't watched any practical videos on how Tubebuddy can actually increase their views. They've only watched the review. Now, the second way is to go through Facebook. So if you go to Facebook and you type in like YouTube, there are going to be many small YouTuber groups which you can go ahead and join. So if you go to groups in the bottom left-hand corner here, there are many YouTube groups. So you might want to type in small YouTubers and different keywords that you can try and find. You got here small YouTubers group. And then what you can do here is you can either post your video in the group on Facebook, so you can just go ahead and post it. And people are posting their videos and different like screenshots and stuff, so it's not going to look spammy or amiss. Or what you can do is you can go to people and you can go ahead and scroll down. And these are the people who are new to the group, and you can go ahead and message these people and tell them that you've got a tool for them which can really help them grow. Go ahead and watch this video here. And then when you've said that, you would link your Sniply link, which is going to have your affiliate link in it and the YouTube video embedded in it as well. So look at how powerful this is. All we need to do is get this in front of people who are YouTubers who are looking to grow. And that can be done in many different ways, including direct emailing people, messaging people on Facebook in Facebook groups, or just simply posting your link to all of the people in the Facebook groups. Now, if that video helped, please do leave a like and let me know in the comment section below what other videos you want, and watch this video here if it does seem interesting to you.